Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fab Life. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today I've got a styling lookbook for you. I'm styling this white dress, a simple chic t-shirt style dress. About 6 or 8 different looks. This dress is from Zara. I think it was originally $19.99, but I picked it up for $9.99 on sale. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. I do appreciate all the subscriptions and the interactions. Please let me know what your favorite outfit was in the description box down below. I like to have a little bit of engagement and chit chat to all my subscribers, so that would be lovely. I'll meet you down there somewhere at the end of this video. And all items will be linked, all similar items will be linked down in the description box. You can just click the links and shop away. I was going to do this lookbook using about 2 or 3 different white dresses, and then I thought, no, I'm going to challenge myself to do it all in the same dress. So bear in mind your body shape and your silhouette of dresses that you tend to prefer based on 4 categories. I have got a super casual or a day casual outfit. The second category is a smart casual. The third category I've got is workwear, when we are eventually allowed back out to work. Finally, the fourth category is for a night out or night out with the girls. I like to showcase lookbooks like this because it just allows you to see how you can purchase something that's so inexpensive, a $9.99 dress, and then you can style it up and really elevate the look depending on the accessories you choose. So some of these accessories I have shown in my 5 key pieces to starting a designer luxury collection. I think it was titled something like that. Again, I'll leave that in the iCards and down in the description box. So things like my Chanel Aviator sunglasses, the nude Christian Louboutin Pagalis, the Gianvito Rossi Plexi Palms. I'm trying to think what else is in there. Quite a few things in there, but I did feature some of those in that video. So perhaps have a look at that video. It starts to give you an idea of a few key pieces that you can add into your luxury collection, and then just on rotation, picking the right colors and the right styles that are quite neutral, but go with everything. And you'll see that from this video that I've styled those items multiple ways. loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me here at the Fab Life. Do come back again for more videos. I will link a couple more videos for you to watch. I hope you enjoy them. They are a mixture of fashion, health, hair and beauty. I love all of those things. I also love high street and high end and merging the two together. I also love inner beauty and outer beauty and merging those two together. So I have lots of videos on that sort of content. If you enjoyed that, please do subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care.